After that, you need to go on python.org download section. How you can go here? Let me just type python.org in the URL section. Inside, after coming to this website, you need to click on the download part, download navigation bar, and once you click the, you will be shown that this download Python 3.11.3, which is the latest version of the Python. So you can install that one, and we can use it any platform like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS or other one. You can check from here from which system we can do this. So yeah, there are different versions as well. If you are supposed to do with the different version, you can do as well. So let's get started. Once you download it, you need to just install this Python, which is the simple step. I'm not going to talk that in this video. So the another part is to open Visual Studio Code, because all the things we'll be doing in the Visual Studio. As you can see, I have created one folder with the ChatGPT chatbot in my desktop so that I can access it faster. So you need to open that folder, and inside that folder we need to create this app.py, and this will be added automatically. This file we need to don't take care of it. So inside this directory, you need to write cmd to open. There it is a shortcut way to open Visual Studio. So here you need to just search cmd, and it will open cmd for you. And to open Visual Studio Code, we need to enter code dot, which is the command for opening Visual Studio Code directly in a particular location. So here we can do this. You can do it manually if you want, but it is a faster way, and programmers like it very well. And after this we need to, as you can see, I have created this app.py file, which contains some code which you will be able to understand uh, after seeing the UI part. So here basically what I have did here is, you need to first install this openai using pip install openai command. Okay, and for gradio you need to install gradio. Okay, like this you need to do. So after doing this, but before, if you want to check that Python is installed or not, you need to what do is here. You need to just write Python in your CMD, and you need to like write Python hyphen version. It will show you the installed version. If it is available to environment, and it will like display the latest the installed version of the Python, and it proves that you have installed Python in your machine and it is available to anyone in the directory. And after that, to check if the pip is installed or not, uh, here you can check like this only, in the same way, pip version. And if you like, if some people don't know about pip, what pip here it does is like, here as you can see, import openai and import gradio, which is not a part of our uh, which is not previously installed in our system, because we are not using it previously. But to create a chatbot we need this libraries, these products, for easy like to create easily by using this API key of OpenAI, and and interface of gradio, uh, which makes us faster to do things. So to import this libraries, the code of these libraries, we are using uh, pip, because pip is a package manager which installed all over external libraries and includes into our project. So that is one point you need to remember. So let's see if pip is installed or not. So here we go, guys. As you can see, the version of pip is also mentioned here. So it means that uh, both things are properly installed into my system. So the next step is to run this project. I will not explain you currently, um, because you will not be able to understand it right now. uh, Maybe I can explain. Yeah, let's see that point only. To run this app.py, you need to save like any name you can give. If you want to like add custom chatbot, you can give that also. So here you need to remember that you need to end it with .py only. Okay, so to run this file you need to enter python app.py. So what it will do is it will just compile the above code, interpret the above code, not compile. Okay, because it is interpreter based language. So you need to just enter and it will start process. And before that you need to know that this yeah, let's as you can see, our uh, our app is running on this local host server. We need to click on this. Okay, this is not localhost url, this is the normal url actually. So we need to just click on this 127.0.0.1. uh, to click this particular url you need to press control plus click. As you can see that pop-up is also saying it's the same way. You need to click like this. It will open Microsoft Edge by default, because in every system it is the default browser. So as you can see, this is the look of our AI chatbot. So let's see what we have did in the code. First, as you can see, ask anything you want and chat with AI, and you can see the button. These are the like these buttons are came by default with the with that library, gradio library, and with text we have provided. These text we have provided. So basically, at start we have just included both the libraries, because without including these files we would not be able to move further. And after that I have added that API key, which we can add after like openai.API key, which will be used for verification. So here you can add your API key, which I have pasted in my chatbot, in my notepad. Control C, and you can simply paste it here. So now once you have pasted here, after that you need to prepare a dummy message here with an array of objects. Okay, this is the array of objects, and which role is system and content is, this is the dummy data. And after that we need to declare one function which will be calling in once whenever the people enters some data into this field chat with AI under this section, like hi chatbot. And after this what you can do is here once input is given, we need to just check if input is empty, then we will not be able to move forward. We simply uh, exit the function. Otherwise if input is given, here we will be appending this message, role user, and role user means entered by user, and the content, what content will be there is just a small input, like whatever input we have given this system, this hi chatbot. Okay, So after that, here we are creating openai chat completion to dot create using just declaring this. We are referring to GPT 3.5 turbo and preparing the reply message. Okay, here in the reply message will be coming from this section only. So after that, all the process is done. It will just reply, just return all the, just return the reply message, and it will be received from this gr dot interface. As you can see here, output is also given. Output is equals to. So this is about this function, and after that we have declared two variables. One is inputs and one is outputs. So what input is does is here we are taking this is used to take input of this hi chatbot and paste it into the input variable so that we can refer it in the below code, which is here. And after that, output is equals to in the output section we are just gr.output.text box and reply. As you can see, we the label to the output is given reply, which is here, and for input chat with AI, like this is given. So you need to click on the component section only, like input is deprecated. Like here we have used gr.outputs. You can explore that part gradio if you have any doubt in this, but this is the way I have found which is used to um, do the same things. So you can provide here lines as well, like 7 lines or 10 lines. Like the here reply is coming in the small bucket, and here in the 7. If you want, I can show you that as well. Maybe you can check. Yes. So here this is the main one for whatever the action will be doing, like the complete title and the compact theme will be compact. So I think you have been understanding. So only that much you need to know, guys. Not more than that. We can create a simple chatbot. So in the further videos, I will be sharing some that how to train your chatbot to a particular things. Like if you want your chatbot to interact only health related things, then he will be doing that also. So stay tuned, guys. We will be back with another video on ChatGPT, the on chatbot as well. So subscribe to my channel, and we will meet in another video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.